Follow these steps to remove Spotlight history on Snapchat. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Now head over to the option Public Profile. Once you're over here, different sections will appear. Navigate to the section Spotlight. Now on this page, you're gonna find all the videos that you have uploaded in your Spotlight. Head towards the Spotlight that you wanna delete. Once you have opened the Spotlight, now click on three dots. Select the option of Delete Snap. Click on Delete. Do the same for all the available videos or the post. This way, all the Spotlight history will be deleted on Snapchat. There is no such option to delete all the Spotlight at once, but you can open up each of the Spotlight and delete it. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you are able to remove Spotlight history on Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.